What's the deal, y'all? I got the family in the car right now, just getting out of church, and now we're trying to get us some freaking Burger King, man. It'll take it forever, though.
Wait a moment, I'll be there.
Alright. What you call those things, man? The gazebo. Y'all see that gazebo over there? Ain't them the ones that be having it up on ours? We gotta get us a gazebo, y'all. We done went to like just the second Burger King and they having us waiting, man. What? I'm gonna start cooking my own food. What you say, man? We just came out of, I would say, it was 2 services. I'm ready to go home, man. These people playing what I do. Y'all comment down below if y'all ever had the, I can't even zoom in, but if y'all ever had the Adam Family sandwich, the purple sandwich right there. Y'all comment down below, how did it taste? About to get ready to go to the store. Mama V having some late night cravings, y'all. So I gotta go to this dang on store at night. It's freaking 11 something, 12 at night. Dangerous, bro. Dangerous. Alright, bro, I ain't coming out there at night. So y'all, I had a was her freaking back door open over there. But dang, bro, I hate vlogging on the other side of the phone because I can't never really tell if it's pointing to me or not. God dang it, though. Bro, what's wrong with this dog? I ain't gonna lie. Yeah! I'm not gonna lie. I do not want to be out here at night. Look how dark it is out here. I mean, we got the gas station light, but still, man, I don't trust nobody over here. Trying to get a nigga with some old bread, bro. I've been doing good though, man. Cause I used to be going through like 3-liter pops, like maybe like 5 times a day. Be drinking 3-liter orange pops, grape pops. I don't want none of those. Mama V wants something to drink, so gotta get her something to drink. She needs to be staying away from this pop, so I'm just giving her a lemonade. Just give her a lemonade. She don't need no pop either, bro. So freaking. It's not even that cold out here. I mean, outside. To be honest, bro. It's really not. It's not that cold. I thought it was gonna be like freezing, whatever, but it's not that bad. So y'all see this plastic on this door? So I need to go get a new frame because there's no frame around, it's just plastic. And also I need to get a frame down here. And I'm gonna get some plexiglass instead of glass, like real glass this time, because freaking glass keep on shattering. Every time somebody freaking shut the door, dang on glass just fall out and just shatter. As y'all can see, like the little pieces right here, that's from the old frame. That's why we got this plastic right here. So I'm about to hit up the hardware store and see how much they'll charge for some plexiglass. I hope I'm saying it right. And a frame. Bro, I'm hoping they can do it here. I'm hoping that they can put the glass inside the frame for me. Cause I don't want to have to go all the way to Home Depot. So I'm just praying that they do it here. You feel me? Alright, hold on, y'all. What's going on? I actually got this frame here for my storm door. I need 2 of these frames and I need some plexiglass to go on the inside instead of regular glass. Cause it's like every time somebody shut the door and the glass hit the ground, then it just shattered. So I'm like, I might as well get some plexiglass instead. All right, so got my receipt right here. They told me it'll be done either today or they're gonna call me tomorrow. So it wasn't bad. It came up to $130 for 2 frames and 2 glasses. Not bad. So, all right. Bro, here's my thing. I just hate when a city be dang on putting all these dang on cones out and messing up the dang on street. You feel me? And it be blocked off for like 2 or 3 months just for them to move the cones and it still look the same way. Like, what the crap, bro? I be hating that junk. Like, they be closing up the freeways and blocking stuff off as if they doing some type of construction, laying cones out, and as soon as they remove the cones, it still look the freaking same. Like, what did you do?
Hey family, this is your girl Kaya. I gotta do my chores every night. So this is where I do my chores at. I'm about to mop now. This is stuff I'll be using to clean the floors. This is really good for the floor. Yeah. I use this for the floor too to make it look more shiny and stuff. So.
Not bad. Not bad, Kaya. Okay. You mopped over here too?
It's cold over there.
Well, don't worry about over there. I'm gonna have to probably mop on that side. But yeah, you got the flow looking good. All right. Good job. Why you keep getting in my chair? You the main reason why I went down there and punched that bag. Yeah, I know, right? All right, y'all. Make sure I got my receipt. We back here at the, did I get my lights on? Oh, indeed. I thought that was my lights on. Oh, we back here at the hardware store, bro, because I need to go pick up my friend. I might need some help with this glass.
You see what I got on? No, you see what I got on?
Just put some shoes on, you just help me with the glass.
You see what I got on?
Girl, come on. So y'all, I didn't get a chance to record in the store because I had to use both of my hands, so I did get the glass though. But as y'all can see right here, excuse the junky car, y'all. Did get the plexiglass, as y'all can see right here. It's gonna be going on that raggedy door over there.
Stop.
What you running for? Girl, you always, what? All that FaceTime you be doing? I just need some help with the glass, hold on. You think you too cute to, why you always have my shoes on? Why?
Stop.
God dang it. I thought Lonnie was gonna shut the door, but she didn't. Let me make sure it's locked. I'm getting my shoes all muddy. It's freaking muddy out here. Yo, I'll be tired of her putting my shoes on though. Look at you. I'm surprised you ain't run up. But let's beautify this door, y'all. Sick of this ugly looking plastic ripping all this junk off. Mama, be glad to tear that plastic off of it.
Yes.
Oh. How long has plastic been up there, babe?
Too long.
About a year?
The top,
So, but at the snap of my fingers, y'all, this glass is gonna be up. And 1, 2, 3. Well, y'all listen. These daggone bolts down here was stuck, and I couldn't get them out, so we couldn't put the glass at the bottom up. But we been had this one up, but we couldn't do the bottom. And we finally took the plastic off, as y'all can see right here. The door do need to be wiped down, but it looked way better with the new glass in there. So me and your mama just put the new glass up, and we want you to come and see it and tell me your opinion about it. I mean, I know it's just pixie glass, whatever they call it, but I still want you to come and see it. We took the plastic off. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What do you think about your mama back in the door again? Goodness gracious.
I'm sorry.
What do you think about the new glass? You like it?
It look clean.
It look clean? So listen, y'all know y'all can't, we don't want y'all knocking on the door, right? So y'all gotta knock, like, not on the glass, y'all can knock on the door, but don't knock on the glass. Girl, you scared the mess out of me. What? Okay, I see, okay. But come and look at the glass.
It's that butter!
Man, what the heck? So what do y'all think? I took the plastic off, so what y'all think about it?
It looks normal.
It look better?
Yeah.
All right. I just wanted your opinion because it took me and your mama hours to freaking put this together. Because the screws was acting all bougie and they didn't want to come out. So we finally got it out. So now, yeah. All right.
That's good.
I'm gonna take these things on because we had painted over them, and I'm gonna get some pixie glass for this too. So now we can see them. I'm coughing, y'all. I'm sorry. Now that we can see, we can see them. So now we can see who coming through our house now. And now anybody that we don't want to come in, I can just look at them in the face and say, "I think not. I think not."